Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 10 minutes, and I'm kind of rushing right now because I'm liking BPTH here. Potential break of 990. And I'm rushing because these videos are live. So when I say that, I don't mean that in the sense of like this is a trade recap or some sort of voiceover. All right, I got to just focus right now. Okay, watching 990. But I'm recording the information for the very first time. So if you want raw thoughts, raw reactions, you will get that here. As you're witnessing, if you want a nicely edited video, nicely scripted video, you're definitely not going to get that here. But if you just want a nitty gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader. So there's the chart I'm watching 990. I think if 990 goes, it's got a chance of wanting to get up through 10. But once again, pulling back. Like I said, market opens up here now in about 10 minutes. So for the beginners, if you're watching, this is what we know as pre-market trading. Market officially opens at 9:30 a.m., but you can, if you have the right type of broker, trade beforehand. Get this alerted to the chat room. 990 upside break point. 1 minute. So if you're not familiar, at claytrader.com, I do offer a private trading community. So there it is right there, and there's just the alert I made at 990. So I'm not in, but I've already made the alert, so members are going to have the same opportunity as me. Well, pulling back again. I actually like that because if it can recover once again from that pullback, that'd be a nice sign of strength. I don't know if the mic's picking up thunder, but it is storming here in Michigan. So I don't know. Maybe I'm being silly right now trying to trade when my power could be going out. I mean, it's not like it's super windy. There's just thunder and stuff going on. So like I said, I don't know if you can hear that or not. All right, well, I will go ahead and pause. I've let the play long enough to see if this thing is going to break. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. Quick update on BPTH. Market's been open about a minute. Did get the break of 990. Shot up to 1020, but didn't get any follow through at all. So bit of a disappointment on that one. I wasn't around, didn't see it. So I mean, yeah, depending on the strategy for the scalpers, yeah, I mean, there's plenty of wiggle room there to scalp something out, but it certainly didn't get any follow through on that initial breakout. Right now, keeping an eye on Tesla. $705.50 looks interesting. Like I said, want to first see if it can get up over 705. But just struggling right there at that point. So, all right, I will go ahead and pause, but wanted to give you a quick update there on BPTH. Okay, watching GME here, and I'm actually going to get short there at the 170 mark. I think this thing is ready to head down below. We'll try to take some off at 169 mark. So got those. Let's see this thing get down through 168.50. Took out another 25 there. So still have 50 shares left. All right, I'll just take that for a $247 scalp, and there it bounces back up, so I'm glad I got out. So there we go. We're 4 minutes in the day, up $247. Let's see what else I can find. All right, I'm thinking 70. Whoops. Missed it. Tried to get short at 702, and I missed it. Was looking for a quick scalp. How low did it go? Yep, I would have gotten it. Shoot. Was just looking for a quick scalp, and I would have gotten it had I gotten filled because it didn't move. I didn't need it to move much, but I just wasn't fast enough. So, oh well. All right, well, never mind on that one. All right, watching 698 here. Really like this setup that just took place. Yeah, 698. I like it a lot. In there. Let's see if we can get the move down through. think if it can get down through 698, it can move very, very nicely. So the question now just becomes, does it want to break 698? Well, going to make me sit here a little bit, it looks like. I was hoping to go a little bit quicker than this, but pattern's still fine. What is that? Yeah, 698. Yeah, I guess 15-ish to be more exact. Not a huge fan of this little range that's all of a sudden formed. Let's see if it wants to give it another go. Like I said, 698.15, is that going to be? There we go. Needed to see this thing down at 697. Took out some. I don't know what's going on here. Not sure I got this one right. Do you want to get down through 697 or don't you? Okay. Still have 75 shares left. But yeah, this breakout's got me a little confused. Just in the sense of, I thought it'd go a little bit more. Not that I thought there would be like some sort of $10 breakdown, but yeah, a little bit more than this. There we go. This is what I was hoping for. So still have 25 shares left. I'll just take it out there. There we go. Well, I'm glad I hung on to those 100 shares because those proved to be actually very profitable. And I've talked about this lesson before, but I'm going to talk about, I hit the record button, didn't I? Pretty sure I did. Whew, okay, I thought for a second. The lightning has had me kind of a little sketchy all day. So I don't know, maybe I shouldn't even be trading right now. But what was I saying? Oh yeah. I've done this point before, but you know, if you're unsure, like I said, unsure, not all confidence is gone. I never lost all confidence, but yeah, I was a little unsure. Take some off the table, lower your risk via position size. You know, just a very easy, very quick way to manage risk control, lower position size. But I mean, like I said, to be fair, I could have been wrong, and I was wrong because the price ultimately did move and make that move that I was looking for, but wasn't able to, but I was still able to take part of it because, like I said, I still hung on to some shares. So there we go. Coming on 30 minutes in, up 484. But let's see what else I can find. Maybe make one more trade. All right, watching Tesla here in at 692.41. But might have gotten suckered in. We'll see what it wants to do. And I'm in at 692.41. Whoops. I didn't change my share size. That should have been not 50. Well, I guess kind of right on par with being freaked out a little bit about the lightning. And the thing is that it hasn't even thundered lightning. Well, where's my marker at? Show you what I mean real quick. So this area right here is my share size. And I should have changed that when I threw out a cover order because I wanted to just take a quick scalp on a portion, but also hang on to a portion in case it really started to go in my favor. But I totally forgot to change that. And so that's why I totally pulled myself out of the position. But still made, I don't know, what was it, $25 or something on the trade. But so anyways, there we are, $504 in basically 30 minutes. So as one of my kind of sayings goes, just $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I am more than happy with that. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Had some great lessons in there. Especially, like I said, it's okay to lose confidence, but if you lose confidence, just lose some of your share size, lose some of your position size. But don't lose it all, because you could be wrong. And in that situation with Tesla, I got a whole lot of gains from those final 100 shares that I hung on to. But like I said, now before I do officially go though, a big request from me, because this goes a long way. These are truly live, and I say that because they are live. I have to think for myself. I have to think about what I'm going to talk to you about. I have to actually talk to you. I have to make alerts in the chat room. I have to think about the alerts that I'm going to make in the chat room. So there's a lot going on for me, and I've been doing these for years. So it is possible. It's just, it is difficult, and I'm not going to put myself through difficult situations if it's a waste of my time. So if you do enjoy these videos, if it's not a waste of my time and you want me to continue to make them, then two things you can do. Very easy. Hit that like button, leave a comment. The comment could be as simple as the thumbs up emoji. But those two things communicate to me, hey, Clay, we know it's hard, but we also know you can do it. So please keep doing it, because it's not a waste of your time. And as long as I know that's the case, then, in the spirit of valuing my time, I have no problem doing these every now and then. But like I said, just got to give me that feedback through those two very easy things. Then also check out the channel as a whole. Good variety of videos, lots of other live trade videos. So hopefully you like what you see enough to hit that subscribe button, as I'd love to have you as a subscriber to the channel. But if nothing else, and you just want me to keep making these videos, hit that like button, leave a very, very simple comment down below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.